Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at the Canva Publish Intent Integration and how it works with Simplebooklet. This integration lets you turn finished Canva designs into interactive, trackable digital content, all directly from Canva. So as you can see here, we're on the Canva homepage. I'm just going to go ahead and select one of our Canva designs that we want to turn into a Simplebooklet. The Canva Publish Intent integration allows you to send finished designs directly from Canva into Simplebooklet. Instead of exporting files and starting over, you can publish straight from Canva and create a live interactive Simplebooklet in just a few clicks. So to access the Canva Publish Intent integration, we're going to head over to the Share button at the top of the screen. And as you can see here, I already have the Simplebooklet option available to me, but that's because I've been using it. If you are a first-time user, just go ahead and click the See All option and then scroll down to the Design section, and you can access it here as well. So when you select Simplebooklet from Canva's Share menu, your design becomes an interactive page flip experience. So as you can see here, we have a live preview of what our booklet will look like with the page flip transition. And if you notice, a couple of the pages appear blurry, but that is just for the preview. Once you publish, everything will be clear. So if we make our way over to the right-hand side here, we have our options to choose a page transition. So you can choose from one of our recommended ones or from our entire library down here. Since this is a trifold brochure, I want to pick a transition that works with that. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. And yeah. Another cool thing about this integration is that when you connect your Simplebooklet account to Canva, you get full access to your Simplebooklet library directly inside the Canva platform. So as you can see, here are some of my other Simplebooklets that I've made. So this means you can take existing Simplebooklets and update them with new Canva designs, all while keeping the same link, analytics, and viewer history intact, which is a pretty cool feature there. And again, to be able to access your library, you will need to connect your Simplebooklet account. As you can see here, I'm already logged in, but if you weren't, you would come to this section here, and there would be a button you can press to connect your Canva and Simplebooklet accounts together. Yeah. So now that we've gone ahead and picked a page flip transition and made sure that our pages are selected over here, we're going to go ahead and click the Publish Now button. So this workflow helps you publish faster, reduce print costs, and drive more engagement than sharing static PDFs. And because everything is tracked in Simplebooklet, you can see how your audience is actually interacting with your content. So as you can see here, we got a little notification just letting us know that our design has been published. We can either make a copy of it on Canva or we can check it out in Simplebooklet. So once we click check it out, it will bring us over to Simplebooklet. And our design will open in the Simplebooklet preview mode. So from here, we can flip through our booklet and see how it looks with those page flip transitions intact. We can view it from a mobile view, desktop view, tablet. And then we also have options here. If we want to continue to customize our booklet, we can add some design elements, edit it, or add our own voice narration. I do have tutorials on all of these different elements if that's something you're interested in. Yeah, and then once you're satisfied with your booklet, you can go ahead and click the Share tab over here. And that is where you'll be able to grab your branded web link or generate a QR code or an embed link or anything like that. And then I touched on before how you can track analytics with Simplebooklet. Oops, that's the wrong booklet. But just to get an idea here, you just have to set a date range, and then you can get access to all these different analytics and stats associated with your booklet. Certain ones are only available on certain plans. But yeah. And so one of the biggest advantages about this integration, let me just go ahead and find our booklet that we just made. Perfect. So one of the biggest advantages is that you can keep your content up to date. So as you can see here, there's a little Canva icon with this booklet. And then we can go ahead and click edit in Canva. And this will bring us back into Canva. We can make any design changes that we want to, and then export it back into Simplebooklet the same way we did before. Just going through the share, clicking Simplebooklet. And yeah, this is a great way to update your design in Canva, republish it, and that way your audience always sees the latest version without you changing the link. So yeah, that's a quick overview of the Canva Publish Intent Integration. We'll be going over more elements of this integration in our future tutorials, so make sure to check those out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.